Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to look for our driving monitor in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for this function? Of course, in the settings. So, settings. Then we are looking for our digital well-being and parental controls. Here. And here we have our driving monitor. So, what does it do? Exactly what you think it does. See how much you use your phone while driving. Ideally, it should be nothing, but we can use, of course, our music, our navigation, and everything will be visible in this driving monitor right here. Of course, you have to be connected to internet and you have to connect your Google account to do so. But the option is here. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.